Ah.
Chidi.
Huh?
Wait a minute. You mean to tell me that you made this food?
Me, Chidi. I'm a powerful cook, a powerful chef. I used to go for cooking competition before. Yes, now.
Okay. I've been meaning to ask. Do you really have intentions of getting married to me? I mean, with the promise that you wouldn't treat me as bad as some husband treats their wife in this village.
Ebere. Me, Chidi. Treat you bad. Ha! No, now. I can't do that now. I love you with all my heart. With all of my heart. I'll never treat you bad.
Okay. I just want you to give me some time to think about it. I promise I'm going to give you a reply in no distant time.
Sometime.
Yes, sometime.
How long?
Just give me some time to think about it.
Oh, I thought you wanted to think about it now, but it's fine. It's alright. Let's eat.
Alright.
See?
Are you sure there's not too much pepper in this food?
You see this meat, this one? I made it specially for you.
Okay.
You know where you are?
This is Nollywood Pictures TV.